Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 56 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we're kicking off our Valentine two-part series with the Velvet Letter. If the Manhattan is a classic evening gown, then the Velvet Letter is its dark velvet cloak. It's mysterious, deeply colored, and lingers long after that first sip. We have a few ingredients on the table tonight. Let's get started making this cocktail. We're going to start with our bitters. We'll be using two tonight, the Strongwater Lavender Bitters and the Fee Brothers Molasses Bitters. First, the Lavender Bitters. These are going to be the perfume that when you open that letter, that's what you're smelling. We will use 3 dashes of the Lavender Bitters. Next, the Molasses Bitters come in handy because they have this savory richness that's going to help balance out what's happening in the old granddad. 2 dashes of the Molasses Bitters. Now we're going to start with our spirits here. First, we'll use a black currant liqueur. We'll use a 1/2 ounce of this. Consider this to be the ink of your letter. It's going to have that dark, rich color, and the berry complexity is going to really add a fresh and vibrant note to this cocktail. Next, we have our sweet vermouth. We're using Cinzano tonight, and we will be using 1/2 ounce. It's matching what we're using with the black currant. Now this is the paper. So the black currant was the ink, the Cinzano is the paper. It really holds the letter together, gives it a bit of weight, and ensures we've got some herbaceousness to balance out some of the sweetness that we have. Finally, our core, our bourbon, we're going with the Old Granddad 114 again this week. It's just fantastic. The 114 is a bold declaration. Because it's such a nice high-rye spice, 27%, it will really cut through some of the other things happening. And we are using a full 2 ounces in this cocktail. That's all the ingredients we need to add at this time. Now, as usual, I will be adding ice and stirring for 25 to 30 seconds to give that old granddad a chance to dilute just a tad. And then I will rejoin you as we finish this off. That feels nicely chilled. We have a nice coupe glass here that we will strain this cocktail into. Just like that. It's got that lovely dark color that is really exciting for this. Next, we will add our garnish. First, we will be doing a nice lemon twist. The lemon twist is to bring some brightness, so we will express the oils over this. But we're not going to put it in the cocktail. Instead, we're going to drop a lovely Luxardo cherry right into the bottom. And that's going to be like the wax seal on the letter. Just fantastic. Let's see what we've got. This is such a fragrant cocktail. Between the lemon that just got expressed over it, the lavender is coming forward to be floral, yet the black currant and the herbs from the Cinzano, as well as the caramel and spicy notes from the bourbon, it's just a cornucopia for your nose. Cheers to the Velvet Letter. Oh my goodness. This is a Valentine treat in a glass that is not too sweet for anyone. The initial taste, you get that bold bourbon notch right there as you taste it, but then it's complemented with this fantastic jamminess of this black currant. It's fabulous. Now on the finish, the lavender comes back to soften it, give this lovely floral note, and it really leaves this nice, soft, silky, almost berry and floral feeling on the end. Again, we are doing a two-part series for Valentine's Day. So next week, be sure to join us. We're going to move away from the letter and the ink into the decadence of a chocolate box. You don't want to miss our bourbon truffle build. But for tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a most fabulous Thirsty Thursday, and enjoy the velvet letter. Cheers.